Hello, this is George Beiruthi from FS Securities, a stockbroking firm on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. Very quickly about the market update from overnight overseas and also the local market yesterday. Well, we start with the data. On Wall Street, the Dow was down 0.06% to nearly 25,000. And the S&P 500 was up 0.9%. The Nasdaq was up 1.4%. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 index, which comprises most major European markets, was down 0.1%. The FTSE in London was up 0.4%, and the DAX in Germany was down 0.1%. In Japan, the Nikkei was up 1.1%, and in China, the Shanghai index was up 1.1% as well. On our market yesterday, we were down 22 points or 0.4%. And the futures this morning, by the way, are telling us that we are likely to go higher by 14 points at the start of trading. Gold at 1,325. That is actually quite a big jump overnight. And crude oil in the United States, that the West Texas crude oil, was 54 US per barrel. And the Australian dollar was hovering around the 73 before it actually came back to 72.7. We'll also give you 63.5 euro cents, 55.5 British pence, and 105 New Zealand. Well, the market volume is starting to increase. As you can see here, we've had around the Christmas time about 1 billion transaction per day. Remember, before Christmas we were running around 2.5. Well, we're back again up to the 2 billion, and yesterday was a good day. Even though the market was slightly down, we had 31% of our shares going up and 24% going down. In our terms of our mechanical system, we are mainly predominantly bullish. As you can see here, you know, we were several weeks ago we were mainly red sells, and now we've turned into neutral, then more neutral, and then bullish and bullish. So I think there is a momentum in the market, and let's see what happens today. In terms of our shares, we like to see CBA. CBA has actually been hit very badly in the last couple of days because of the Royal Commission, which is releasing today its finding, and it looks like it might be a bit negative for the banks, and that has already been incorporated in the price of CBA. These predictions, by the way, were determined last weekend based on data from the week before. However, Woolworths continues to go higher, and Newcrest Mines still bullish, and Suncorp turned from bearish to bullish as well. And so that's what we have at the moment. And finally, our disclaimer: before you take any particular trade, please consult with us or with the professional advisor, as of course we don't know your financial circumstances. And if you have any questions, all you have to do is ask. Well, these are our details. You can write to me directly at george@fssecurities.com.au, or visit our website www.fssecurities.com.au. Well, that's all from us here at FS